What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. It is Monday, the 11th of January, 2021. Quick, before I get into this video, I just want to show you guys how to report scams. This is a scam. This is a scam. Gemini CEO, this is a scam channel and it's going to steal your Bitcoin. They're stealing your Bitcoin if you send them anything. Bitcoin will be a 50K soon. Wilker Voss Brothers, CEO of Gemini Exchange. Give it a downvote and then you hit the report flag. Hit the report flag. Where is it? Where is it? Spam or misleading? Choose one. Spam or misleading, mass advertising, misleading, thumbnail, scams, or fraud. Right there. And then this applies to links within the video description, everything. All of it. All of it. All of it. All right. Hit the next button. You can say, this is a Bitcoin scam stealing people's Bitcoin. Hit report. Or you could just write, F you guys, you're scumbags, whatever you want to write, and just report them. If you're watching this from a mobile device, in the little corner or right under the description or the title for the video, you'll see the flag and you'll hit the report flag as well. And once you hit report, you hit spam or misleading. It doesn't give you the opportunity to type something colorful in it, but you just hit spam or misleading and hit report. And that's how you do it for mobile as well. So let's get into it. Yes, Bitcoin is taking a big dump right now over the past 24 hours. Oh, it's only 8%, but it was up to 20%. If we just go to, do I have Trading View up? No, I think I closed out the Trading View tab. All right, but yeah, it dropped almost 20% according to Trading View, and back down to $30,000. It wicked all the way down to $30,000 in the last, there it is, in the last 24 hours or so. So from the peak at like 42K, that's about what? That's about 20%. This is normal. This is what happened during a healthy bull market. I'm going to show you something here on Twitter, and here it is. Let me just enlarge this real quick. This was the bull run in 2017. This was on the run up in 2017. Right here in June of 2016, you had a 38% pullback, then another 38% pullback. All right, 33%, 38%, 36%, 29% before it peaked out in December of 2017. And we're seeing it again. Right now, we're seeing a 12%, 20%, and then an 18%. Well, it actually eventually ended up being like more like a 20% after this posting. But according to this person right here, the real VJ, in 2017, Bitcoin bull market corrections found demand after drops from 30 to 40%. In the current bull market, demand seems to appear after corrections between 15 and 20%. So people are waiting for weak hands to sell, right? They're being manipulated. Don't sell your Bitcoin to these larger institutions that are buying it up. Because as you can see, once it hit like this price point right here in the 30s or at 30K, it just bounced right back up. It just bounced right back up to where we are currently. Back right now, up 4K to $34,500. People are buying up your Bitcoin if you're selling it to them. Not financial advice, I'm just saying. Here we are. So this is an article from the Exodus.io blog. That's the Exodus wallet, desktop and mobile wallet. Again, link in the description. Or you can just come to Exodus.io and download it. All right. So introduction. Worried about Bitcoin crashing and your crypto wealth going to zero? If you haven't been a part of the crypto space for a long time, this is definitely a real concern. Yet Bitcoin crash might surprise people. Yeah, the Bitcoin crash might surprise people. Guess how many times Bitcoin's had horrific crashes? 1, 2, 4 times. Try 13. So here it is. Bitcoin has died, and I'm throwing up air quotes here, basically multiple times. We're seeing a healthy pullback. This is par for the course in the Bitcoin realm. If you're dollar cost averaging, this shouldn't bother you. If you're dollar cost averaging, this shouldn't bother you. If you're buying Bitcoin at $5 a day, or if you're purchasing it at $25 a week or $100 a month, whatever the case is, this shouldn't bother you in the long term. All right, just take a step back and zoom out and see the long term trend. All the charts point to Bitcoin being a better investment over time. All right, so here it is. This is the current run up right now. This is what it looks like. Where's the 2017? Let's go to the max when it loads. So here it is. This is what 2017 right now. This is what 2017 looked like back then to us, for all those that's been in the space. But every time you zoom in, those big peaks, they seem so huge, right? They seem so huge, and that nothing. And look, there it is again in 2013. All right, these big peaks. Bitcoin will have big peaks and big dips. Don't worry about it. We're calling, well, not we, but the quote unquote professionals are calling for, even banks are calling for right now during this bull run after the halving that took place in May of 2020 for a Bitcoin of at least 150K. So if you're getting in right now, you're still getting in early. If you're getting in right now, you're still getting in early. Next, this is coming from Cointelegraph. Bakkt crypto exchange to debut on stock markets through a SPAC. So ICE, the institutional exchange Bakkt, will launch on stock markets at a possible $2.1 billion valuation. Now, Bakkt was something that's been in the space or was mentioned back in like 2017 and didn't really launch until late 2018 or 2019. Can't remember the dates properly. However, they don't have big volumes on that exchange. They don't do large numbers. But because they have something to do with Bitcoin and the trading of Bitcoin, they're valued at $2.1 billion. That's ridiculous. They're not doing anything. They're really not doing anything in the space, and I think they only deal with institutional investors anyway. So again, they're missing out on a large market of investors that kind of drive the space, which is the retail space. And they are valued at $2.1 billion in this reverse merger SPAC thing that they're going to be doing. And they're going to be launching on the New York Stock Exchange. Big surprise. That's their parent company, the New York Stock Exchange. So, but there you have it. Bakkt being launched on the New York Stock Exchange. And people are going to be getting exposure to Bitcoin indirectly if they invest in this stock. Next, we have cryptocurrency investors could lose all their money. UK regulator warns as Bitcoin price drops from all-time high. Oh man. So this is as of today. And the UK regulator, not FinCEN, but what, the FCA, is that what they're called? FCA. People who invest in cryptocurrencies could well lose all their money, the UK financial regulator said on Monday, as the volatile price of Bitcoin slid from all-time high of almost 42K. It dropped. Yes, Bitcoin drops. It does that. All right. And in the long run, you don't lose your money. You only lose your money when you're selling anyway. And then, like I said, if you're dollar cost averaging, these quote unquote financial experts, they have no idea what they're speaking about. You're better off getting your information from someone like me here on YouTube. Like, to be honest, let's be honest. Like, these guys that's been in the traditional financial space, they have no idea what it means to own Bitcoin and like to be holding Bitcoin during hard times. All right, so yeah. Next, and this is from 99 Bitcoins. This is the Bitcoin obituaries. Bitcoin has died 394 times, and it's only the beginning of the year, and Bitcoin has already died on January 2nd. Those who invest the most will lose the most, according to this person about Bitcoin dying. On December 15th, this is the oldest Bitcoin death, December 15th, 2010, why Bitcoin can't be a currency. And the publication that published this, all right, is gone. The publication that published this is gone. What is the name of the publication? I saw it earlier on Twitter. I should have had that pulled up. But Bitcoin survived has survived past the first death warnings from a publication, an online publication, and it surpassed it. So yeah, Bitcoin is going to die just like everything else, right? Bitcoin is going to die. Bitcoin is going to die. Bitcoin is going to die. Whatever. Next, Bank of America predicts mother of all bubbles for Bitcoin. This is the same Bank of America that stated that Bitcoin is going to get to 330K just a few weeks ago. So again, you're better off getting your information from people here on YouTube than people that's in the traditional financial space. All right, Bank of America chief investment strategist sees the mother of all bubbles in Bitcoin. He compares the cryptocurrency's recent rally to other bubbles, emphasizing the increasingly speculative investing behavior of Bitcoin. And I'm not even going to go through this. This is just a garbage article. I just had to pull it up to show you like the hypocrisy of Bank of America. Let's just do it real quick. Let's just do a quick search. All right, Bank of America Bitcoin prediction. All right, Bitcoin. Let me see. I put Bank of Bitcoin. Bank of America. All right, predicts Bitcoin prediction. Price prediction. Let's see if I can find it. Hopefully, it's not giving me the same stupid article from today. Grayscale. Where is it? Hey, a man could admit when he's wrong. It was another dirty bank. It was Citibank that that said that Bitcoin's price will be over 300K at 318K by the end of 2021. I thought it was during this bull run, but they're still predicted by the end of 2021. It was Citibank, not Bank of America, but still, point of the matter is, the point is, we have banks coming out saying that Bitcoin's price is going to be crazy, or what seemed crazy to us, in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you're still early. You are still early. That's the point. During these times, if you have the money, buy the dip. This is the perfect time to be buying the dip. Or if you're dollar cost averaging on a consistent basis, it doesn't matter to you anyway because you're thinking long term, then so be it. Again, not financial advice, but let's discuss it in the comment section below. Smash a like, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos, and stay away from the scammers down in the comment section. Report those scammers if they're in the comment section, talking about hitting them up on WhatsApp and that their trader or financial advisor turned $200 into 2 Bitcoin. It doesn't work that way. They're scamming. They're trying to take money from you. Report them. And yeah, let's get it. Peace.